Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make your Monday.com boards private. So as you can see, I'm now in my YouTube dashboard in Monday.com, but I want to make this board private. So it's very easy actually. Just go, open this sidebar, and as you can see, this YouTube dashboard. So you need to tap on those three dots next to the name, on the right of the name. Just tap on it, and as you can see, add or change board type. Hover over it, and as you can see, change to shareable or change to private. Tap on this, and it gives you a confirmation pop-up. Change board from main to private. As you see, just read this, and if you are sure that you want to change this board to private, just tap on change board to private. Tap on it, and now this board is private. As you can see, it has a lock right now. This board is private, visible only to subscribers, and you can easily undo that. Change board type to main. This board's content will become publicly available to all team members. Change board to main. As you can see, it's very easy but effective. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.